Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and the purpose of today's video is all about listening myself and just trying to capture my mistakes which I've done past. And so I'll just see my previous video which I uploaded in YouTube. So just hold a second. I'll show you like how a beginner speak and how does he basically do the mistakes, because mistakes are part of our life. If we don't be able to do the mistakes, so how can we improve? How can we see like we have done some sort of mistake? So it is a part of journey. So you need to admit it. So let's see my previous video which I uploaded. Like I've seen videos where I've stuck while speaking and not have a lot of content while speaking. So these all things happen. So I'm uploading everyday video. So it is too much difficult initially for me to upload the video with a topic, because I am not able to find the topic on the videos. But I try to like speak on the cue card, which is my natural way, because in that is very difficult for me to speak. So let's jump into this video which I uploaded last 2 months back. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in the video to speak on the topic which I'm frequently using for speaking in English language. And so today what I'm gonna do is basically share my feedback and basically share one session which I've taken from one of my tutors and what they've decided, and the feedback to me. I'll share all the feedback to you and what is the major feedbacks which I've got, because as a beginner we are learning and we don't need to like express ourselves, like we have learned a lot. So I'll just say the feedback. So you need to stick with this video till the end, because you will find out the mistakes which frequently like beginner make. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So I visited one of my tutor, and where I found out like multiple things, and I have taken a session from them, like what are the mistakes I'm. So in these time, like I don't know basically what I'm speaking, but still I'm speaking. So in first part of this video, I just want to try like what I've got the feedback from my tutor. And so yeah, it is very difficult for me at the time I for speaking in the video. So let's see on the second session. Like frequently making videos, and so they said like basically there are some sort of things which is grammatical wrong, and and there is a way like where everyone can speak English, but there is appropriate words, and there is professionalism which is required while speaking. But uh, as a beginner, most of the people who don't know about that, and they ignore it, and basically in their whole life they will not able to find out their mistakes. So that is what the tutor told me about, because so what I'm trying to say basically is like there is lot of pronunciation mistakes which lot of people done, and they still don't know how that they are speaking wrong. And so that is basically in English Cambridge book there is lot of things which people don't know, they still speaking. So I got to know from there like if you are speaking so that is if you are speaking good, so that doesn't mean that you are not making mistakes. So that is what I want to try to say in this video, and I'm not able to elaborate myself that much in the video. So there are if you check in other country like speaking native countries, so even they're uh, everyone can speak, whether he's like professionalism or he's doing something exceptionally. or not, basically, because in the NASA as well there are speaker and their speaking is different and their vocabulary is different, and comparison to a beggar who is also in US, he also know the English. Basically there is difference between both of speaking them. So that is called the professionalism. So from that I got to know. And there is a sound quality, a sound as well, where we have found out multiple mistakes, right? In Indian there is a lot of words where we are lacking and we cannot able to pronounce it like as their sentences are, because there is a bit different, like speaking and writing both are different, right? So these are the words and these are the feedbacks which I've got from the instructor. And so he also told me about that basically just practicing is not enough. There is a smart way is also there, basically. And so yeah, these all things are important while speaking. And so for that you need to like basically get an instructor and tutor. So I can basically tell you like practice, but the thing which is required more is like your speaking what you are speaking, that is correctly, or people can understand correctly or not, because there is two meanings always there if you speak one sentence, because there is like mother tongue which is involved while speaking. So that is why we are speaking the correct word we think, but whoever is just listening, he not able to think like understand. Basically, I have taken one free session from one of English tutor, and there I found out these all things. And so they have told like there is always two meaning of one single word. That is all depend on your pronunciation. So how well you are speaking. If you are basically not speaking correctly, so there is other meaning as well. So that is how like somebody can understand differently. So these also need to be like improve, and you need to be focused on. So that is what like English speaker, English tutor will see and just improve that. So I hope you found this video helpful. So I'm just uploaded multiple videos. You will see these all things. You can check out on my channel, and you can find multiple videos on English language. So on this note, that is it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, have a good day.